Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and recently Darren and I took a trip to Chicago, and the big focus was getting to spend time with Dory and Andrew from Dory's Dollies, the YouTube channel. If you do not follow Dory, you should. She has more doll knowledge in her little finger than most YouTubers or doll collectors or doll anything do in their whole body. Dory has been collecting dolls since she was a little girl. She and her sister have the knowledge you just wouldn't believe on dolls. She doesn't look up the history of a doll. She knows the history of the doll because she was involved with it back when it was a thing. The visit with Dory and Andrew was the highlight of the trip, even bigger than the dolls I got, and you won't believe the dolls I got. Dory had made an appointment to a store called Sherry and Gigi's. It is by appointment only. It is a big deal. If you're ever in Chicago, you might contact them and try to get an appointment, get in and see this place. It is absolutely incredible. How big would you say it is, Darren? Square footage, or what by what? 60 by 40-ish? With shelves, sure. Pardon me?
Sure. Yeah, that sounds about right.
Does sound about right. Big store. Lots of glass, what do you call it? Not shelving, but shelving. Gorgeous. They have high-end dolls and they have not so high-end dolls. They have a bargain room. They even have an area where they give away free dolls. And amazingly, I refrained. There weren't any that my heart was set on or I had something to, a plan for. So I left them. They had a composition doll. I should have got it. I should have got her, but I did not. My space in my home is running out. Let me come around and show you the dolls that I am over the moon to not only have seen, but to have purchased.
A lot of one-of-a-kind of these.
Do you have a YouTube or an Instagram? You're not on Instagram either?
No, I'm only on Facebook.
Darn it.
And I kind of do all my sales from one.
Oh, look at the dark-haired girl with the half spiderweb outfit. Oh, half sleeve is what I meant to say. One sleeve open. Here's the matador. Here's a Chatty, but she's not in good repair. But she does have the pigtails. And she does have auburn hair. And her little dress. Fitz Eloise. Tammy, I'm thinking about you. Fitz Eloise.
You redid her?
Trent, not Kent. Trent.
That's really good. Yeah. Shut up. Marta's already got her hand on it.
Does he have any? Are you Gigi? No.
Only that girl can make.
Talking about the murder.
Yeah.
So they have a You want to hold her outfit too?
Yes.
A Kenner. It's a Kenner. Yes, I do want it. Will I buy it? Isn't she cute? And I'm here with Dory's, from Dory's Dolly. And she's going to beat me to her. I
Oh,
know.
no. Oh, look at this.
Thank you.
Look at this.
Did you see those dolls back there, my friend? Did you see your jeans? Which ones? The jean dolls?
Oh, yeah. The other one's face is still domed. This one's starting to get the push in.
Yeah.
See it? Now this one's teeth are better. But I like the other one's clothes better.
This is like the one Marna got that's much taller.
Really?
I did not get her as a child. My friend did. I had changed it.
They're tricky Mickeys. Even the tricky Mickey.
You're not kidding.
Take them.
1976 Migo Cher. But her hair is really a mess. However, I'm sure most are, but she has her shoes. Oh, is there only one of the red shoe, but two of the others?
And it's Sherry.
Sherry.
And it just brought me back home. And I can't tell you how much joy it always brings me. I could just spend here forever.
Probably lock the door so you can stay here all night.
Okay. I'll start cleaning and sweeping. It's
Do
wonderful.
you collect Barbies?
I collect everything. That's the problem.
Okay.
That's awesome. Oh, he's gorgeous.
Oh, Darren.
Yeah, he's cool.
He's absolutely
Did
gorgeous.
you have any
this
other
is-
trends, or is it your first one?
That's my first one. I have a whole lot. I bought the Kenner. She's all wrapped up. I made a deal. I bought the Kenner. And Dory came back in to get more too. I saw so many dolls that I wanted. I can't even tell you. Amazing does not cover this place. And they have flyers about doll shows. I got a couple of her cards because I am seriously considering, well, it doesn't matter. Let me show you what I did get. The first doll that I saw that I was very serious about, well, one of them, but the first one I was very serious about is this Trent, and I can't think of his last name. This is my Jean doll's boyfriend. Look at the Cary Grant face. Isn't that incredible? He has his mullet. This doll, this outfit would have been called, see his T on his polo shirt. This belt is a little belt. This is called, oh, just a minute, what was it? Playing the Ponies. And he's got his mallet. He was supposed to have boots, but they gave me these shoes, and I'm fine with that. He's got his socks, his pants, his stand. I can't tell you how thrilled I am to have, I have him kind of funny here from travel. Oh, stand up, Trent. There we go. There we go. And I will have him back out one day with my Jean dolls so you can get a good look at the two of them together. Thrilled to get him. And I was going to stop there because it was not an inexpensive doll. But then I was looking at some others. Oh, and Dory happened, well, I shouldn't steal her thunder, but she was looking at the little Kittles. Ironically, she had, on that Saturday morning that we went, a little Kittles video. If you haven't seen it, go to her channel. I'm telling you, she has the best videos, the best dolls, the most knowledge. Anyway, they had these little Kittle dolls, and they were not too expensive. I think the one was $5. Yeah. The one was $5, and the other one, I don't even remember what they had that marked. And then I saw, where is it? This cello, and I thought, oh, that'd be perfect for my Blythe doll. But actually, it's not. It's a little small, but let me grab one here. She didn't have a shirt on, but you can see the size. For my Wednesday-ish doll, she is a Wednesday midi, this is really perfect size. So I got that, and I got those 4 things, and I thought I was done. But then we were still kind of there, and I had been looking. Now, this is a doll that, I think over a year ago, I had seen on Dory's channel. Dory shows dolls I want all the time. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is just one of, they call them their goodie bags. It has information of upcoming doll shows in it. Set this to the side. This is a doll I had seen over a year ago on Dory's channel. This is a little Big Eyes, and in the back she has a button, and when you push the button, her eyes change colors, and they change direction a little bit, not as exaggerated as the Blythe doll, but oh my. No, I will not be taking this doll out of her box, but I might be buying one that is out of the box because, I just want to get a hold of her. The clothing on these dolls, really cute. And they come with a brush. Just the cutest thing. And so I wanted this, and I went ahead and got it. And then they had something I have been wanting for, when they had the show directory. I picked up a show directory. I put her in here. They didn't give me this. I have been wanting a Kenner Blythe doll for, well, I guess since I got into the Blythe dolls, I've been wanting a Kenner. They are not inexpensive. They had this girl. They were getting ready to fix her hair and do a little work on her. So I held her, and Dory held her, and Dory clicked her, and I said, are you going to get that? And she said, and she kind of stepped back. And I thought about it. I'm only going to do this for you this one time because I am not going to be pulling on her eyes. Look how well. This girl's, look at her eyelashes. Look at her face. There are no mars or scratches or discoloring. Nothing. She has 7 lines in her on her back where it says Kenner. And this is her original dress. She did not have shoes, etc. Darren and I talked about it, and we talked about it, and we left, and we went to a train store next door. The 4 of us did. We came back, and I kept asking Dory. Dory kept giving me everything I was thinking Dory said. She's in your hand. You know what she looks like. You see everything about her. You've clicked the eyes. If you buy one on eBay, you won't know till you actually get it. There is no chewing or anything on her hands or feet. Well, as you can see, I now own a Kenner Blythe doll. She will be on display. I will not be taking her places with me. And I am probably going to work on her hair a little bit. Dory and I talked about that, and basically you do their hair like you do any other vintage doll. To me, their hair feels a little more cottony, but Dory could tell you more about that. To me, it's just a little more, I don't know, lighter, I guess, than most vintage dolls. But here she is, and I'm so excited. I recently got an Ashton Drake. I think my Takara has shoes. I'm not positive. But I needed some little shoes to fit my one little Ashton Drake. I got one with one color, one with one shoe, and one with no shoes. Now, she has rubbery feet, so I'm trying to be really careful. And Darren made shoes to fit the Takara and the Ashton Drake, and guess what? They fit the Kenner too. Oh, I don't have that on. It takes a second to put them on because they fit really well and stay on, but the Kenners have that, there it is. You can feel the click when they go on. I am thrilled. I now have shoes for my Kenner, my Ashton Drake, my Ashton Drake Blythe, and for my Takaras. After we get some more colors made, now that we know they fit, we will be offering them for sale on our website. Dory, thank you so much for a wonderful weekend and taking me to Sherry and Gigi's, where I had the opportunity to get a hold of some dolls I have been wanting a very long time. Trent, the little big eyes, and who can't use a Kittle? I love those. The little cello and the Kenner Blythe. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.